What's up, traders? It's Mark here at DynoTrading, and another day, another wild session, right? Let's get right into it. Another crazy day today. What you're seeing on the screen right now is a chart of the S&P 500. This is the global benchmark. I know a lot of you guys find different ways to trade the SPY, as they call it. So if you trade Forex, your symbol is SPX 500. It's awesome on Forex. If you trade futures, your symbol is ES. And of course, if you trade stocks, your symbol is SPY, what they call the SPY. Okay. And what you're seeing overlaid onto the chart is the green and red volume indicator. I'm going to talk to you about this setup right here. That came pretty early in the morning where this volume indicator turned green, right? I'm going to come back to this in a few, but what I want to show you here is the crazy crash that happened overnight, meaning, in Sunday's market open. As you guys know, the Forex and futures markets opens up on Sunday at around 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And just look at this crash. I mean, look at where we opened up. Folks, we were down 3%. Just think about that in your head. 3% on an index like the S&P. Okay? That's a statistically significant move. And right around here is where the market gapped down. Okay? Down 3%. And one of the things that I think comes with experience with trading is when you see a heavy gap down, all right, that's typically, not always, but typically and traditionally, a very, very good buying opportunity. I mean, historically speaking, every market crisis, right? I mean, you could even go as recently back as COVID, right? Everybody that chickened out when the market crashed because of COVID, I mean, they lost out on 300% gains as the market went straight up since COVID, right? So you have to realize that when you see a big crash in the market and you're freaking out, all right, what you have to recognize is that there's other people, right? Other market participants, the big guys, the hedge funds, the smart money, what I call the institutional players who are long only, right? They don't believe in shorting the market. They don't believe in selling stocks or futures or Forex. They're just buyers. And every crash represents a buying opportunity for them. At least that's what I've noticed, especially lately. Okay? So when I'm looking at a chart and I see the market gapping down 3%, 4%, I ain't shorting it. You know what I'm looking for? I'm looking for buying opportunities. You understand what I'm saying? I am simply trying to follow the smart money. That's all I'm doing. And I believe, this is my theory, okay? Feel free to agree or disagree with me. Although if you disagree with me, then I don't know why you didn't make money today. All right? All you idiots out there who refuse to give up your candlestick garbage charts, right? You didn't make any money today. I know you didn't. So don't lie and tell me that you were accurately able to catch the bottom, because you can't do that on a candlestick chart with your free garbage indicators, okay? Whereas when you use volume, in fact, let's just zoom in here, okay? So this volume indicator essentially tracks volume. It's a turning point. And I've simplified it for you guys. It's green and red. Tell me if you think you need it to be more simplified than that. Green and red, okay? And one of the things that I like to do, because I'm a simple person, is I like to wait for retracements. Not all the time, but definitely on the S&P 500, I found that when you wait for a retracement, it's a much better setup than simply trading the momentum, which I also like. But sometimes you just got to go with your gut. And my gut was telling me for the last 2 months and probably for the next 6 months, I'm really going to try to be looking only for retracement opportunities. Okay? Lo and behold, market gives us a retracement trade here, right? When this bar closes, that's one signal. Remember, guys, we're looking for signals, right? That's what's valuable to day traders, signals, not anything else. I know none of you guys are looking to day trade to make friends. You're looking to day trade to make money, and how you hopefully make money. Okay, and you have to recognize it's not a guarantee. There are no guarantees in trading. If you want to find or have any shot at making money trading the market, number one, you got to have a good system, you got to have a good strategy, and you got to have a fantastic mindset. You can't be a chicken. okay? And you most certainly cannot be one of these idiots over here, all right? But anyway, what I want to bring to your attention here are every retracement that took place in the market today, okay? Volume indicator turns green. We look for the retracement setup. Boom, one happens right here. Boom, another one here. Boom, we get two in a row right there. And then kaboom, a really nice one right there. You understand what I'm saying? Folks, this is happening on a daily basis. If you have been sitting around daydreaming while every other day trader out there is actively in the market looking for good setups, then I don't know why you're even interested in trading, right? You have to decide, are you in or are you out? And if you're in, are you this kind of guy or are you this kind of guy? Okay? The market is going to do its thing with or without you. Okay, you can either try to participate and try to capture these moves. I mean, again, look at this crash, okay? We gapped down right here, 3% down. And look where we closed, right? Where'd the market close today? Let me see. Almost on the session high. 43.70 on the S&P. Where were we on Friday? Yeah, 43.70. So if you blinked, you thought nothing happened today. You thought, hey, the market didn't do anything on Monday. Boy, were you wrong. Wow, look at this other retracement right here. Forgot about this one. You guys see this retracement here? Look at that. Another nice retracement. So yeah, again, everybody who texted me today, emailed me today with your feedback and how you killed it today, I am glad, all right? I am sincerely glad that you guys are killing it. It's not me, okay? It's you. You have the right software, but you also have the right mindset. And that's important. That's something I can't teach. Okay, I could put the best software into a person's hand, but if you don't have the right mindset and you're kind of a chicken, you ain't going to find any success in trading, okay? This is simply a game of risk and reward. There's no guarantees in trading. You guys know that, but I'm convinced that volume freaking works. And in my opinion, volume's the only thing that works. Because, I mean, look, what do you think causes these big moves, right? When the starting point right here, okay, when the volume indicator turned green, who do you think caused it to turn green? Not me, not you. It's the smart money, the big money, people that are pushing around trillions of dollars. Our job is to detect those whales, okay? And maybe even become a whale of our own at some day or some point in our career. But yeah, folks, today was just, I don't even know what to say about today. I mean, I thought last week left me speechless. Today was an identical pattern to last Thursday. Identical, right? Huge gap down, massive gap down, and the volume turns green right on a dime and just, the market just rips again until lunchtime. And then the market starts to kind of, you know, turn red. But even when it turns red, isn't that interesting? More retracement patterns. Okay. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines, folks, and you want a simple, comprehensive, intuitive trading system that keeps your charts ultra simple, and you feel like you're done with your days of candlestick garbage, then get in touch. For everybody else who has the vol, so glad. All of your comments made me really happy today. I'm really glad that you killed it. Let's hope and pray for another wild trading session tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.